Years ago, when I was training in a multiplex in Baroda, the F&B manager, Mr. Khan, he approached me and said, "There's a friend of mine, Mr. Patel, who's GM of a hotel, and he's interested in training. Go over and meet him." So obviously, I was happy to get the business, and I went over. This was late night. I walked into this cabin in a small hotel. It's one of Baroda's very popular hotels, in fact. And Patel was there, very busy working. We couldn't talk business. So after some time he said, "Dominic, why don't we go out for dinner and we'll talk over dinner? There's a friend of mine who's opened a new restaurant." So we drove over to the restaurant, and even before we approached the actual entrance of the restaurant, a chubby man just rushed out of the restaurant and came and hugged Patel. And then he put his arms around me also, like he knows me from years, and literally dragged us into the restaurant. So this was the way I met Priyesh Bhai. Priyesh Bhai was the owner of this restaurant. And when we sat down to have a meal, I purposely sat in a way I could see the restaurant out of force of habit. And now Mr. Patel was trying to talk to me, but I was distracted by Priyesh Bhai's antics. He was running around from table to table, and this was a thali joint, so it's always noisy, and it's Baroda, Gujarat, and you have these huge families that come in, so it's even more noisier. And now I could not pay attention to the way Mr. Patel was explaining about his needs of training, because I was distracted by Priyesh Bhai. And interestingly, instead of getting upset, he looked at me and said, "Are you looking at Priyesh Bhai?" I said, "Yes." He said, "Let me tell you a story." And he started narrating that Khan, the F&B manager at the multiplex, himself, the GM of this hotel, Mr. Patel, and Priyesh, they had all started their career together in the same hotel where Mr. Patel was the GM now. And he said we had different education qualifications, so it was very interesting. Mr. Khan was a graduate. He worked himself up to a captain level, and then he went to the Gulf, worked there for a long time. He came back and is now F&B manager at the multiplex. I myself, that is Mr. Patel, was narrating. He said, I went up to my MD and I told him that I'm going to work with you for lifetime. At that time, he was a 12th standard pass. So the owner decided to sponsor his education in a hotel management school. So he studied there. Beyond that, he kept growing in the company, in the organization, from a waiter to captain. Then he moved up to restaurant manager, etc. And the owner even sent him abroad to study further, France and I think it was America, the States. And then he's settled down as the GM. He's pretty happy. And he says, Priyesh Bhai, he took a different route. He was the lowest educated among us. And he was amazing with the guests. So he would, talk to his guests a lot. And particularly with children, he was very good. So when a family came in, and Baroda is very famous, Gujarat is very famous for, large families going out together. He'd take care of the kids by giving them a chocolate each. And he'd tell them that if you have your food fast, I'm going to give you another chocolate. So naturally the kids would, eat well and fast. And then Priyesh Bhai would take them away from the families, give them a chocolate each, and entertain them. So there was some fish tank, there was some rabbits, and he'd, play around with them. And he started becoming very popular with families. You'd have families discussing that they want to go to Priyesh's place, and they would call him lovingly Priyesh Kaka. Priyesh Kaka means Priyesh uncle, father's elder brother. And the kids would want to come back to Priyesh Kaka's restaurant. Believe it or not, or rather understand that you're talking about a person who was a captain by that time, and everyone is talking about going to a restaurant which has now got the name of Priyesh Kaka's restaurant, and he is just the captain. And Mr. Patel elaborated and he said, there would be times when there was waiting for his section, whereas my section would have seats. And he was so popular in Baroda. And one day a guest asked him, why don't you start your own restaurant? So he gave the obvious answer, I don't have money. This gentleman decided to finance him. And they became partners. Priyesh Bhai would run the operations. And the day we entered this restaurant, I could not believe it. But this was his 7th restaurant that he had opened. Apparently, the children of the kids that he had given chocolates to are coming back to his restaurants with their kids. And he's that popular. Now look at the story. It's beautiful. You have somebody who's a graduate and is now F&B manager in some place. You have somebody who's a 12th standard pass, went on to graduate and is the GM of a hotel. And then you have a 10th standard pass who's the owner of 7 restaurants. All 3 of them have made it well. That's the beauty of hospitality industry. You can be educated or lowly educated. You can know a language or not know all language. I mean, you may know English, maybe you don't know English. It doesn't matter. This industry gives everybody a chance. There are many ways to the top. But through all of them, service is very important. Thank you. The service industry welcomes and gives all an equal shot at success.